दुबई सफारी सीरीज के लास्ट 5 व्लॉग आप लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया, उसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आगे भी इसी तरह हौसला अफजाई करते रहिएगा और मेरे और चैनल के मोटिवेशन और सपोर्ट के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि आने वाले ढेरों इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स आप लोगों तक रिलीज होते ही पहुंचते रहें। हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम सफारी पार्क के एक नए हिस्से में जा रहे हैं और ये है एशियन विलेज, जो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। सो बने रहिए आखिर तक हमारे साथ इस व्लॉग में एंड बी ए पार्ट ऑफ आवर एक्साइटिंग डे टुडे। आवाज सुन रही है? बंदर है वो, गले पर देखिए कैसे फुला हुआ
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
We are very thrilled to have you here today.
Yes, we are. My name is Patch, and together with me is my lovely partner, Kate. We are your presenters today. Are you guys excited?
Yes? Yes. All right. Before we start, we would like to tell you some of our safety reminders. First, please do not raise your hands up or try to reach for the bird if they happen to fly over your head. Please remain seated all throughout the show. And for those who have food, please keep them inside your bag for now because we do not want our animals to be sharing those snacks with you.
Alright, in addition to that, throughout your stay here in Dubai Safari, please always wear your face mask, sanitize your hands often, and maintain social distancing. So can we all agree on this? Yes?
Yes. Alright, so let's start with the competition. Let's bring out the contenders.
Alright, on my side, our African gray parrot, Michael, together with his very lovely trainer, Ligaya.
And on this side, I have Oscar, together with our amazing trainer, Paulika.
Alright, so let's see who can segregate these rubbish the fastest. But I need your help. Can you all cheer for Michael as loud as you can?
I think my team can do better than that, right? Yes. Can we all cheer for Oscar? Yes.
Alright, let's see. Alright, birds ready?
Ready?
Trainers ready? Well then, ready, get set, go!
Beautiful as it may seem, African gray's face sad reality. We have lost up to 99% of its population in the wild in the last 47 years due to illegal pet trade.
So if you want to protect these African greys, if you want to see these beautiful birds in the future, we must protect them now. Let's give it up please for our African greys. But the African greys are not the only animals who suffer from all these human-induced threats. There are still a lot of them, and we are going to meet them today. First up, the otters.
And there you go. Here comes Megan. Megan is our Asian small-clawed otter. They are now on the list of animals with the highest level of protection from the wildlife trade.
That is right. Let's just wait for Megan to join us here on stage. So that everyone can see her. There you go. Now, Asian small-clawed otters are taken as pups to be used as pets and attractions, mainly because they are the smallest of the otter species. In fact, they're used as domestic pets in otter cafes, wherein wild otters are forced to interact with paid customers.
That is sad, but it's true. And there we have another Asian small-clawed otter, and that is Giraffe. Well, otters cannot stay on land alone. That is because they are semi-aquatic mammals. So that means that they live both on land and in water, that's correct. But they spend most of their time in the water searching for food since their diet is comprised of fish and shellfish. So enough for our otters right now. Let's say goodbye to them.
Welcome, Billy, our rhinoceros hornbill.
Rhinoceros?
Yeah, hornbill. Over there he is.
ऊपर.
That is Billy, our rhinoceros hornbill. All right, Billy, everyone's waiting for you. The stage is yours. Let's go. Birds in Asia, and they are decreasing in number and are now considered as near threatened. Along with the global issue of deforestation resulting in habitat loss, these birds are also hunted as food and ornaments using their casque and feathers. Now, although they are slowly disappearing in the wild, surely we need to protect these wonderful creatures, right? Because they are amazing at flying. Come on, Billy, let's show that one more time.
I'm seeing shimmers.
Alright, now over there we have Lisa and this one is Harry. Both of them are popcorn orchids. But if you will notice, Lisa looks quite different from Harry, right? That is because they are dimorphic, which means that you can easily tell the difference of the female from the male just by looking at their appearance. And can you guess which one is the female? Is it Lisa or Harry? Yes, sir, you are right. It is Lisa. Well, popcorn hornbills, also known as white hornbill, is
Oh, welcome, Malik, our griffin vulture.
Vulture.
As I mentioned, Malik is a griffin vulture. Now, vultures are scavengers, meaning they feed on dead and decaying animals. So if the animals that they fed on have been poisoned, eventually they will get poisoned and die after.
And we do not want that to happen because vultures are very important in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They're keystone species because they help clean up the environment by scavenging on the dead animals' carcasses lying on the ground. So let's put our hands together for Malik, our Griffin vulture.
Alright, we've just had a big bird. Let me introduce you to another big bird. Now when I say big, I mean the heaviest flying bird in the world. The great white pelicans. Now you can also think that these beautiful birds are not affected by what we do. But unfortunately, of course they are. Overfishing and pollution are just one of the many threats that wildlife face. And pelicans are one of the many victims.
That's correct. And these giant birds, they are opportunistic eaters. So that means that their diet don't stick to only one thing. So when their natural habitat cannot support these giant birds, well, they will simply eat what is available if there's trash, or they even go to fish farms and steal. So if you love our great white pelicans, let's give them a big round of applause.
different species of macaws. The blue ones are blue and gold macaws. The ones flying above us, one is a military macaw, the green one, and the red one is a scarlet macaw. Now the macaw that I had a while ago, that is a green-winged macaw. Now macaws are excellent flyers, right? They can fly for over 25 kilometers every day just to look for their favorite food.
अच्छा उड़ रहे हैं नॉन स्टॉप उड़ रहे हैं
themselves and their long tail to keep them balanced so they won't fall off the tree. They are so cute. Well, keeping around animals
Hey, boss,
only
look
here
at that.
at Dubai Safari. Goodbye, everyone.
कैंगरू नहीं है, कोमोडो रहेगा, कैंगरू बोल रही है। It's just a toy. Look at Papa everywhere. Sidra, look, what happened to you? Are you afraid of this one? It's just a toy. Yeah. No, Sidra. Yes, Gibbon is just a toy.